Hi everyone, I am going to tell you about the breadboard. Well friends, breadboard is used for hardware purpose. And advantage of this breadboard is that you can modify your circuit if you have made any wrong connections. For example, let's take a transistor. Suppose this. If we have inserted our transistor like this, and we want to shift this transistor somewhere here, we can easily pull it out and shift it like this. But if you mount it in on PCB, you will have to solder it. That is, you have to use the soldering technique and then remove that, which is very time consuming. And okay, let's get started. Now let's see how this breadboard is oriented. Well, the breadboard has 4 layers. First layer, second layer, third layer and fourth layer. These the first and the fourth layer are horizontal layers, and this second and third layer are vertical layers. Well, let me show you how it is oriented. Yeah, like this. Breadboard is something actually like this. If you can see, these are connected vertically. That means these are in series. These points are in series, and these and horizontally these points are in series. They are series in vertical position, and they are series in horizontal position till here. That means from here to here it is connected in series, and these two are different rows. Similarly, this section and this section is divided through this line. This is what it is. That means this portion is different and this portion is different. Okay. So what that means is, you can't connect a transistor like in this orientation, because we have seen that the metal strips are vertical here. Therefore, the correct way to mount a transistor is like this. These three terminals are different, and these three terminals won't get short circuited. Similarly, there is only one actual orientation for also and for an IC. You can't insert an IC like this anywhere like here, because these terminals would get short circuited respect to these terminals, and neither you can connect this IC vertically like this, because these terminals would get short circuited, as these strips are in vertical position, and if you apply some voltage or ground here, all of them would be plus 5 volts and all of them would be ground whatsoever. which is not desired. So correct way to mount an IC is like this. All these pins are different from each other. That means all these pins are connected in different metal strips, and if you want to short circuit any pin, just take a wire, as they are in series. You can connect anywhere you like. If you want to connect to pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6, sixth pin, you can connect anywhere you want here. So suppose I am connecting here as they are in series, and I want to connect it with pin number 2. I will connect it here. Okay, let's make a simple circuit. We are taking a LED and we are going to place it anywhere like this. Make a note, I have connected in two different sections. If I have connected like this, it would have been a short circuit position. Therefore, let me connect it like this. I want to connect a resistor in series with the anode part of the LED. So this is my anode. I can connect resistor in this strip anywhere I want. I can connect it like here and here. So I'm connecting it here, and the second terminal anywhere else. Now I will give supply to this small circuit. As I have connected, I will provide positive supply to this anode part, because the LED works in forward bias. So it works. See, or can do something like this also. And therefore, if you want to attach a transistor base with the resistor, let's suppose this is the base, I will attach or mount the base in series with the resistor here. Here I have attached the base of the transistor here in series with the resistor, and emitter and collector in different ports. From that we can use a jumper wire if you like, and get away with it. Mount an unmount our components easily. That's what breadboard was made for. It saves time and effort over a PCB, and if you have used a PCB, it would require a lot of time to mount and unmount the components. Plus, there is a chance of damage of the component, especially the pins, because you are using a high voltage solder, and it may damage the pins. But in breadboard, it's safe to use these components and mount and unmount. And for the first timer and experiment point of view, it is a very efficient way or technique to check it on a breadboard. Guys, that's all for today, and if you have liked the video, please do subscribe and like the channel. And if you have any queries, the comment box is always open for you. Okay, thank you.